beautiful landscapes, and water management systems. Visually appealing and functional hardscapes. Eye-catching floral displays. All part of elegant, well-maintained commercial landscapes provided by the Greenery Incorporated. We know your property is your first impression. For over 46 years, we have enhanced the lives of business owners, property and resort managers, civic leaders, and more with value-driven, high-quality landscape installations and maintenance. As a 100% employee-owned company, it's our mission to be the best landscaping company in any location we serve. Each employee is empowered and accountable to give you our very best every day. With the Greenery, you can expect excellence with any size commercial project, whether it's landscape installation or maintaining your curb appeal. We love serving our clients, communities, and property owner associations, emphasizing beauty and functionality while staying within your budget. Hardscapes, irrigation, construction, outdoor lighting, floral displays, pond and lake management, and so much more. The Greenery does it all. Learn more about what the Greenery has to offer. Browse our website or give us a call today. Let the Greenery enhance your life with beautiful landscaping.